Hello, my name is Luke, and I'm going to show you a short overview of FormulaChop. Say I want to know where the value in this cell comes from, but it has a pretty complicated formula, so I'm going to run FormulaChop on it. FormulaChop creates a new tab and recreates the formula on this tab. It copies all the values from the spreadsheet here and color codes them. Each value gets a link, an address, and a label that FormulaChop automatically finds. The breakdown section shows a step-by-step breakdown of the formula, and it can be read from left to right, so you can use it to trace through how the formula's calculation reaches its final result. This formula uses SUMIF, and FormulaChop highlights the results of functions like SUMIF with a box, so you can see the two boxes here for the two SUMIFs this formula uses. FormulaChop shows the dependents of the cell that it was run on, and dependents that are next to each other are grouped together. For a free trial and more information, visit formulachop.com.